Hey there. Today we have something a little different. Something I've never ever done before. I mean, not really, like just the ecosystem that is. I mean, this is an iPad mini 4. Includes all of that. It's a Lightning to USB cable and USB power adapter. And basically I've never really done any sort of Apple device before. Even an iPod Nano, even the older generations, even the iPod Classic. I've never done that. I've just done Android and Windows ecosystem. So now we're on to Apple ecosystem. So let's get into this. There we go. This is a more premium unboxing than any other unboxing I've done before. Like, they keep the box protected. It's nice fluid movement up. And this isn't a year old. It's from September 25th. When did I see it from? I don't remember. 2015, but more like the end of it. But this is what you get here. I'll take that out in a second. And then you have this, designed by Apple in California. And inside, you get your start guide, iPad info, and your two Apple stickers. So I will leave that inside the package there because I really am OCD. And then I have the lightning cable. I have an Anchor one, so I'm going to probably use that one. And then I have this thing, and it's a 12-watt USB power adapter. I know it's pretty hard to see. It is a 2.4 amp one, so I can plug it into my Anchor 5-port wall adapter. And also, if you've never known, this over here, this part comes off. You can buy adapters for it. So if you want an adapter for, let's say you're going to England, you can get an England adapter, or you can get a Israeli adapter, Pakistani, Egypt adapter, all these different types of adapters. So those are going to stay in there in case I need them. But I mean, my Lightning to Anchor Lightning cable is a little longer and everything. And there's a sensor up there, I see. Yeah, that is a light sensor, I think. Ooh, don't scratch it already. So, there's two speakers down here. Wait, oh wow. Ooh, I feel like I need a microfiber cloth for the bottom of this right now. Hola. I'm going to use the Wi-Fi. Now this is a Wi-Fi only model, as you can see. I wonder what the camera's like. There's a microphone right there. So let me lock this for a second. So going around, there is I never really looked. I don't know how big the thing is. I think it's 7 inches or so, 7-8 inches. There's a lightning cable too. I believe these both are speakers. There's a volume rocker, another microphone, block button, headphone jack. Apple, this is thin enough. So yeah, then there's the home button with the fingerprint sensor. So I'm going to enable that. Continue. Do. What? I moved, apparently. Continue. So I set up, create a password, passcode option, 4-digit numeric code. Use code, I really don't care. Or just 1, 2, 3, 4. Set up as new iPad example. So let me log in. so now that I have that all set up here, it's time to log into it. It'll take a couple seconds. It may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. Wow. Updating iCloud settings, basically just using normal iCloud settings in this. Let me look at this box again. Set up later in settings. So this is what I need here. I need this don't restore passwords. Okay, so lightning connector, so you see here, then that's really all it shows here, so there's not much there. The question is, I'm going through the setup here. I may just cut through parts of it. Question is, do I want to use Siri? Should I use Siri, everybody? I'll turn on, no. Don't send. I hate when it sends. Now, click don't send, buddy. Welcome to your iPad. Get started. So now, first thing I am going to do is go into the settings. General, Siri, turn on, enable, allow Hey Siri. Okay, I'm going to do that. Set up now. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, it's me. Okay, so I have everything I need set up. Bluetooth can be off because I don't need it on right now. Hey Siri. Turn off lights.
I don't see anything connected.
Okay, so this is it. There isn't much. GarageBand comes pre-installed here, I think, which is nice here because I like GarageBand. So that's the setup of it. That is an unboxing. This is it. There's not much to it. The only oh, whoops, wrong hand. No, here, cancel. Now you can turn that off in the settings by going to Touch ID and Password. iPad unlock, iTunes and App Store. Okay. Let me type in my password. Okay. General. Okay, handoff. I don't have a Mac right now. Multitasking, accessibility, storage restrictions, aim time, keyboard. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff you can do here. And this is running iOS 10.0.2. It has 32 gigabytes. There is a new software update. But that is really it. There isn't much to it. If you did like this video, please rate, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and see what you'll like more about this. And as always, enjoy the rest of your day.